Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of digital marketing. In today's video, we'll be delving into the fundamentals of digital marketing, providing you with valuable insights to boost your online presence. So, let's get started. In an era where our lives are dominated by screens, it is crucial for businesses to adapt and utilize the power of digital marketing. With over 4 billion internet users and the continuous growth of social media platforms, businesses can effectively reach their target audience like never before. Now that we understand the significance of digital marketing, let's explore how to build a strong online presence. The first step is to establish a professional website that reflects your brand and provides visitors with a seamless user experience. Remember, an uncomplicated navigation and visually appealing design can help you leave a lasting impression on potential customers. As your website takes shape, it's crucial to optimize it for search engines. SEO helps improve your website's visibility, making it easier for customers to find you. By utilizing relevant keywords, creating quality content, and building authoritative backlinks, you can enhance your website's ranking on search engine result pages. Engaging and informative content is at the core of digital marketing. Creating and sharing valuable content through blog posts, videos, and social media helps build trust, establish authority in your industry, and attract a loyal customer base. Remember, content is king. Now, let's dive into the world of social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter provide businesses with an opportunity to reach a vast audience and interact with potential customers in real time. It's essential to develop a social media strategy tailored to your target audience's preferences, promoting your brand and fostering engagement. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising is a powerful tool that allows businesses to display ads to their target audience based on specific keywords, demographics, and interests. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising offer a cost-effective way to increase website traffic and generate leads. Lastly, analytics play a vital role in shaping your digital marketing strategy. Tools like Google Analytics provide valuable insights into your website's performance, customer behavior, and marketing campaigns. By analyzing this data, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing efforts and achieve better results. And there you have it, the fundamentals of digital marketing. Remember, building a successful online presence requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape. So get out there, unleash the power of digital marketing, and watch your business flourish.